Hello, Computer Club members. This is your secretary, Jared Peralta. I'm going to be showing you how to install Eclipse, which is the program we'll be using to write more programs. Now, Eclipse is a very powerful tool. It's one of the many powerful tools and popular tools that are used to write Java code. Mostly because they have compilers. So I'll be using Google Chrome to download Eclipse. You can use any browser you want, but I assume most people have and use Google Chrome. So we'll be using that. So what you want to do is just Google Eclipse, just like that. And you want to go to Eclipse Luna link, this link right here, www.eclipse.org. And you'll see their main website right here. You can read about them and all that. So, but you want to download Eclipse, so you want to click on downloads. Now, you're going to want to get the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now, make sure you're getting the correct version depending on your operating system. If you are on Windows, you get the Windows version. You just simply click this, move to Windows if you want the Windows version. I'm on a Mac, so I'm getting the Mac version. And make sure you choose the right version with the correct number of bits. If you have 64-bit, get 64-bit Windows, etc., etc. Most people have 64 bits, so I'm getting the 64-bit. So you want to click this green arrow right here, and it should download. Now, this might take a while depending on your internet connection. Mine's not that long since I have pretty good internet. Yours may take longer though, so yes, we're just gonna wait till this downloads. Only 7 more seconds. Alright, so once it downloads, you want to click the arrow and you want to click Show in Finder, or if you're wanting Windows, Show in Folder, something similar to that. And what you want to do is just double click this. Now, that was actually an archive that you opened up, so I'm assuming that you have either 7-zip or WinRAR installed. Mine just automatically extracted the folder right here. And so this folder is gonna be your main folder that contains all the Eclipse files. Mine's called Eclipse 2 simply because I've already downloaded Eclipse, but yours will probably say just Eclipse right here. And from this folder you can move it to wherever you want, store it to whatever other folder you want. I'll just move it here. And from there, you want to open up Eclipse right here. This is Eclipse. Of course, you want to allow permission to use it. And there we have it. You have downloaded Eclipse and you have installed it. Now, you'll be greeted with this. You can browse to select your workspace. Your workspace is where your all the programs that you create are going to be stored. So you can choose even your desktop if you want. I'm choosing the desktop. And you can use this as a default and not ask again. You'll probably want to click this. You don't want to be asked all the time. So basically choose the folder where you want to store all your Java projects which contain programs and things of that nature, and click OK. Now you'll be greeted with this, which is what you won't always be greeted with that, but when you initially install Eclipse, you'll be greeted with this, and you can do some tutorials here, which are pretty good tutorials, but they're written. So I'll be going through these along, showing you on my Eclipse. But basically, you can close that, and this is Eclipse. You have it installed. I hope this helped, in case you didn't know how to install Eclipse, and I'll see you in the next video, showing you how to write your very first simple program.